Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and as promised, I said I would be giving this set of stamps away today on my birthday, and so I am going to do that. I have got the YouTube random comment picker. I've got everybody's entry in under this YouTube video. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to filter the duplicates. Okay. Exclude blacklist users. Okay. Alright, so get YouTube comments. So we're going to go ahead and hit that, and it'll start pulling comments in. Alright, it looks like there's 224 entries. Now, there was a few people that said that they went ahead and bought it, and so they didn't need to be entered. So those I have taken out. So we're going to go ahead and hit the start button. See who it picks. Okay. Joanne Payton. Let's see. She says, "Hi Edith, I think Signet has the best quality stamp sets. Love their label stamps. The circles are perfect for a lot of my projects, especially my master boards. These would make my crafting life so much easier. Big thanks to Bob and you for sharing this with us. Would love to win." And let's see. Alright. I was just looking to make sure. Okay, that is the person who has won right there. My email will be below, and if you will click on that email and send me an email with all of your information, I will get this set mailed out to you. So Joanne Payton, thank you so much for entering and your nice comments. We really appreciate it. Thank you all for entering and for purchasing and talking to Bob about it, and sending him messages. He was so thrilled because he got so many messages, and I haven't talked to him in the last few days, but I know that he is working tirelessly to try to get the polymer back in so that they can have polymer for everyone. And so just be patient. If you've got an order in, he will get it out to you as soon as possible. I also wanted to show you guys this. Now this is my shirt, and I wanted blue. This is a dark navy blue, and I got extra large so that I can wear it and it'll come way down. Or I got extra large really, so that it can come way down and I can wear it with maybe leggings or something. But that is our emblem on the front. Now you can pick any color shirt you want and any size. When you go to the link below, you can just pick any color and any size that they have available, and they have tons of colors available. And then this is the back of this one. Not gonna worry about it. Isn't that cute? I love that writing, and it's nice, and I don't know, it's like a part of the shirt. It's so they have guaranteed on all of their products. So but anyway, I wanted to show you that because I haven't shown you one, and I got this one. I've got a red one coming, and then we also have the one that says on the back, it doesn't have to be perfect. We have that one, I think, if I'm not mistaken, over there too. So you can go and pick some of those out if you want to. Make good Christmas presents for some people. Okay, so that is it for this video. I just wanted to pick the winner. I will be sending this out to Joanne Payton. As long as you contact me within 48 hours, then we will get this out to you. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.